Welcome back. Let's talk technical. Sacchitanand Uttekar from Tradebulls is now with us for a quick technical check on the market. Morning, and thank you for joining in. First, thoughts on the Nifty Bank and the kind of fall that we're seeing now, extended close to a 400-point fall. What have you made of that? And then your top, stock picks.
Well, good afternoon, and I think the market is stable. In fact, if you look at the Nifty, it has been holding on to its 5-day exponential moving average really well. Even today, we saw a swing support somewhere close to around 22,840, where its 5-day exponential moving average is placed, and the higher cluster is placed somewhere close to around 22,610. So I think this particular trend that we have been seeing for the last couple of trading sessions on the bullish side may continue. When it comes to Nifty Bank, there's a very strong support zone which is built at 47,600, 500 kind of a zone, and on the higher side, it has been witnessing some profit booking somewhere close to around 48,200 mark. But when you look at the intraday placement, there's a good possibility that in the second half we may see a good recovery in Nifty Bank as well. We are expecting a price closing somewhere close to around 48,000 at the end of the day. So I think this declining opportunity is very good, and probably we may see a reversal even in Nifty Bank. From a trading perspective, one can keep a stop loss somewhere close to around 47,550 on the lower side and utilize these declines towards 47,600 for a quick up move towards 48,000. When we look at the trading scenario, I think there are two stock ideas which are very prominent. Disclosure would be that we have recommended these stocks to our clients. The first one is Lupin. Now, if you look at the overall structure, the stock was finding itself difficult to surpass that hurdle at around 1,700. For the last 14 weeks, we have seen some distribution near that particular area. But if you look at today's OI addition of close to around 5%, the level at 1,700 has been broken out confidently, and that's why we believe that this particular momentum may push the stock towards 1,760, 1,780 kind of a cluster. So we are recommending building long positions here. We are expecting this particular momentum to continue throughout the day. From a trading perspective, the first target would be at 1,760, followed by 1,780. The stop loss for the trade can be placed somewhere close to around 1,698. The second call is again a long call on L&T Technology Services. Now, if you look at the overall structure, the stock was in a low top, low bottom sequence. But last week we saw a very confident reversal pattern, which is a bullish Harami, re-establishing the support at around 4,300. On the daily scale, again, the daily RSI has moved quickly above that 50 mark, and that's why we believe that there could be a good recovery in this particular counter. Overall, we are expecting a move towards 4750. Trading longs can be established here. The stop loss can be placed somewhere close to around 4540.
Okay, Sacchitanand, we'll leave it on that note. Thank you very much for joining in and giving us a couple of those trading ideas along with your index strategies as well. Well, we'll take a break on that.